Hi, Heather McLaren here with the 5 at 5. I am with Long Realty in Tucson, Arizona, and this is your 5 important facts or 5 minutes of great information about real estate at 5 o'clock every Friday here on this YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about open houses. So it's the first weekend, you've got your house listed, you're all ready to go, and you want to know, how should I leave my house when we head out? I want to get a buyer this first weekend. Here are 5 great tips that are going to help you have the perfect preparation for your next open house. Let's go. So if you really want to hang out at the open house and you're curious what's going to happen, don't do it. It's never a good idea. But what you can do is you can come back as a buyer and you can pretend to be mulling around looking at stuff. As long as the realtor is okay with it, then you can hear feedback from what people actually have to say about your home. I also would definitely not recommend leaving your best friend at home. Even though they're your buddy, you definitely do not want anybody having to come in and tend to barking dogs or meowing kitties or snakes or snails or whatever you might have. And even though they're really, really cool friends, we definitely don't want them distracting the buyers. We want the buyers to be thinking about our house and how much they really, really, really want to buy it. Right, Scout? You definitely want to leave all the lights on in every bedroom, as well as open things up, air things out. If there's any scents, maybe you want to burn some type of incense or burn some type of essential oil. It's probably a good idea to stash personal documents away. There will be a real estate agent holding open your home, but depending on the volume of people in your house and how quickly they're coming through, there may be a few moments when folks are out of sight of the agent hosting the home, and you definitely don't want anybody taking a peek at any of your private information. Just take them with you. Nah, not so much. Funky towels laying around? No. Open, unclean toilet? No. Okay, maybe not. You want someone to be able to picture living in your home. You want to be able to walk in and imagine themselves there. So you want to take as much personal items out of it. You can have it decorated, you can have it styled. Clean is wonderful, smelling good is wonderful, but you definitely want to remove a sense of like, I live in this home, because then they can't picture living in this home. Just a nice, neat, clean home that somebody would want to come visit you in and stay in. Lots of light, everything's open. Next week, I'm going to be taking you to one of my favorite places in Tucson. In case you're not from the area, you can get a sight of some of the amazing things Tucson has to offer. And then we're going to be talking more about cap rates. And what is a cap rate? Well, we're going to be learning a math formula that helps you decide if rental properties are a good investment for you and how long it's going to take to get your money back. And when are you going to see profit? So that's all next week. Stay tuned, folks. And we're going to catch a beautiful sunset next week, so you don't want to miss it. Have a great week in the Tucson housing market and stay safe out there.